this? Answer my man phone.
Hello. That you what?
Pregnant, baby.
Yes, your favorite that.
Hey Liana, welcome back to my channel. As you guys read down below, in today's YouTube video, I'm going to be doing a prank call. I'm going to be calling my friends and I'm going to be like, act like somebody else, of course. I'm going to change my voice up and everything. I'm going to be like, you got me pregnant, like, what you gonna do about it? Like, I'm not even playing with you. I'm not playing with you. I don't know how this is going to go. Change up my voice and everything. I'm going to be like, hey, is this whoever? So yeah, I'm gonna change my voice up. I got a different number. Yeah, so let's jump right into the video. I just did that video on me doing this makeup look, so make sure you guys go watch that. Alright, we're gonna call the shade. Wait, what did I say? Hello? Hello? Yeah, this is, yo, I've been calling you, like, did you tell your mama?
What?
Did you tell your mama?
Hello.
Bro, you know what I'm talking about. Like, y'all just wanna act slow.
See your chat with you remember. Who this?
What you mean who this is? This Kiera. The girl you got pregnant. What? You always wanna act delusional.
Yo, later, yeah.
Tell me I don't know how to act. Did you tell your mama? Did you tell your mama? Jordan.
Hello?
Jordan, who the hell is that answering? Who the hell is that? Who the hell is that answering your phone? I should have actually. I'm calling back. Hey? Hello? 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 You not say hello, Jordan. What are you? Which girl is that answering your phone? First of all, why are you typing? No.
Yeah.
Hello? Did you tell But you always be acting delusional. Did you tell your mama that I'm pregnant? Did you tell her? Cause I'm not gonna raise this child on my Yeah, I'm not even about to tell these people that it's me calling. You're just gonna have to watch the video. Call that shot. Hello? Did you tell your mama? Did you tell your mama?
Yeah.
Oh, you tell her what she said? Did you tell your mama you got me pregnant?
I'm not good. I don't know if
What eet je?
I want to mess it up. Did you tell your mama that's always?
Stephen. did you tell your mama?
What is that?
Babe, did you tell your mama?
How old is?
But you always gonna be acting delusional. Did you tell your mama that you got me pregnant?
Then you tell. Forget it, them say I'm too funny.
Hello?
Hello?
Hello, good night.
Who this? Who the hell is?
Hello?
Who's this? Answer my man phone.
Hello?
Did you tell your mama whose girl house you at? Whose girl house you at?
What y'all talking about?
What you mean? Which girl that answer your phone? You cheat on me now? Hello?
Yo.
Yeah, did you tell your mama that you got me pregnant? And who's that girl? I think she just said this, Liana. Hey girl, it's me. So Dominique texts and asks who this. I was actually filming like another prank call series. So yeah. Hello? Yeah, did you tell your mama?
Who?
Did you tell your mama?
Who this?
The girl you slept with, Kira.
Yo, cut that fuck.
Why you acting delusional now? You always wanna act like you don't know me. Are you around your homeboys or something?
No. I'm home.
Exactly. So can you just please tell your mama? Cause I haven't told mine, and you know we broke. So I don't know where we're gonna get the money from. So can you please?
You broke?
Yeah.
You broke?
Little boy, I don't know what. You really aggy. Like, you really aggy. Just tell your mama. Just tell your mama that you got me pregnant. That's all you need to do.
Oh. Yo, Liana, come on from foot.
Them the mama prank them real quick. Yeah, right now to right now. Come here, record right now.
Oh.
Hey, babe.
Who this?
This your baby mama. You got me pregnant. And I'm calling to ask you if you told your mama. Hello? Did you tell your mama that you got me pregnant? Hello? Boy! Hello?
Yeah.
Did you tell your mom that you got me pregnant or not?
Can't be at that.
Most definitely.
Alright, what you say, Liana? What you say?
Don't tell them it's a prank. Watch the video. Hello?
Hello?
Hey, babe.
Who is this?
The girl that you got pregnant, the girl that you slept with?
Huh?
The girl that you got pregnant, and just like your girlfriend?
Oh, you walk one.
Babe, you know I don't. What are you saying?
Oh, so what's happening? What's happening?
Oh.
How's the baby?
Yeah, she good, but I'm just wondering if you told your mom yet.
If I told my mother yet?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What did she say?
She said, everything's good. She said, yeah, it's good.
Okay, good, because I'm just wondering, because you know we gotta buy her clothes and stuff like that, and we gotta set her baby registry up and everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, so can you take care of that for me?
Yeah, I'll take care of it.
Oh, you're so supportive, baby. I love you so much.
Yeah.
Yeah. So how you been?
I've been good.
Oh, that's so good. Did you eat and everything?
Yeah, I'm eating.
Can you Uber eat some food to me?
Uber eat some food, yeah?
Yeah.
Sure.
Oh, but I love you so much. I want give me the usual.
Oh, the usual. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, but I'm gonna call you. Just call me when the food get here. When you order the food.
Oh, alright.
Okay, bye, baby.
Yeah, bye.
Love you. But you gonna tell me you love me?
Yeah, I love you too.
Babe, you gonna tell me you love me? Babe, why you laughing? You think everything funny.
But who this? Who this?
What you say, babe?
Who this?
What you say, babe?
You say who this?
Who is this? Your girlfriend. You love to play. You were just talking to me. What? It is that
Angelis.
Who?
Angelis, yeah.
No. Which bit? Who you talking to? Name Angela. This your girlfriend, Kira. What are you talking about?
Oh, Kira. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, I remember now, man. Oh.
So you got more than one girl?
Me, no.
So who this Angelina person you talking about? You got a whole baby girl inside of me, and then you want to act like this? You want to go and talk to other girls?
Listen, it's your friend. You know, it's your friend.
What friend? I ain't got no friend in like that. You just always want to play too much. You know I don't like that girl. You just always want to play too much. You always want to play too much.
Why you don't like her?
I told you the story already. How many times I'm gonna tell you?
Yeah, tell me the story, don't tell me it again.
I told you.
Yeah, but like, you know, the other day I fell and I hit my head. So
But you always be okay. Let me remind you. She hit me with the car. Remember? She hit me with the car when I pull up to beat her. She hit me with the car.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't like her.
Oh.
Okay. Uber eats the food to me though. I gotta go.
Oh yeah, you said you wanted the regular. What's the regular?
Yeah. Oh my god. I want McDonald's. I want a Big Mac and some 6-piece nuggets and a large iced tea. What's the problem?
Okay.
Goodbye now.
Wait until Angelisa I'm say hi. Yeah.
You don't talk to that girl.
Okay.
Goodbye.
Yeah.
He was carrying on the whole conversation. He was doing his thing. Ha ha ha. Hey babe. Hey babe.
Hi.
Did you tell your mama?
Huh?
Did you tell your mama, baby? Babe, you breaking up.
No, you breaking up.
Did you tell your mama, baby?
Tell her what?
Did you tell her that you got me pregnant?
What?
Did you tell her that you got me pregnant? Why you acting delusional?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Babe, you always be playing. You always be playing. Why you playing? Ain't no time for playing right now. Hello? Okay.
Hello?
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 Hey, babe.
Who is it?
Your girlfriend Kiera.
What?
Your girlfriend Kiera. Why you acting delusional? Kobe. Better answer the phone, Kobe boy.
Hello?
Hey, babe.
Who is this?
Babe, you always wanna play too much. You always say this every time I call you.
How old is man?
What you say, babe? This your girlfriend Kiera. This your girlfriend Kiera. I'm just wondering if you. I don't really have a lot of time to talk, so I'm just wondering if you told your mama that you got me
That you what?
pregnant, baby.
Yes, you feel my that. Ah!
Okay, Corey, let's go. Let's go. I'm gonna change my name to Talia. So like Kiara is my my American name, and Talia is my Jamaican name, guys. So you so pretty. Look at you. This is my favorite one. This is my favorite one.
Hello?
Hey, hello. Yo.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look what I call you.
I just wake up.
Oh, me I wonder if you did tell them about the thing.
Which thing?
Say my breed for you, man. Because they know say we have to go start by clothes and them something there. I'm not the money. Yo. Boy, everyone go like some big idiot. Oh God. Oh God, Corey. Let's go.
Hello?
Hey, babe.
What?
Hey, babe.
Who is?
Babe, you always wanna play. Like, why you play with me now? Anyways, I don't really got time to play. Babe, I really got time to play. You know it's Kiera. You know it's Kiera. So listen, did you tell your mama that you got me pregnant?
Who gave my number?
Babe, what you talking about?
Who gave my number?
Babe, I been had your number, babe. Okay, okay. I don't know. I don't really didn't do it. Okay, Khalil. He out with the tats and everything. Yo. Well, you invited some of them for the picnic yet? Where's our boy? You don't know your woman?
Huh?
Huh? You don't know your woman?
I really don't know who is this.
Since we have to remind you, come to know what me remind you for. Atalia, your girlfriend, where you breed.
Bye. Bye.
What you mean by? That you that boy.
Where you give number?
That you that boy.
Where you give me number?
Let me know my get to them. My be not. You never come over my house yesterday.
Can I hang up and stop? Don't call this number again, please.
Hey, 2 more numbers.
Hello?
Hey, babe. Hey, babe.
Hi.
Did you tell your mama that you got me pregnant yet? Did you tell your mama?
Who is it?
Oh my god, babe, you always wanna play. This cute, bro. This Kiera, your girlfriend.
Okay.
Did you tell your mama or nah?
No, I didn't tell her.
So why didn't you tell her?
I don't know, I'll be nervous.
Babe, you don't gotta be nervous. Like, you just have to tell her because you already did what you did and she gonna know. I'm already like 3 months. So I don't know what you're talking about.
I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say.
Babe, you just go to her and tell her. You want a picture of the pregnancy test so you can like show her or something? Because I don't know. Because you really need to tell her because this baby getting bigger by the day and I need some extra cash. You need to start paying child support. You know you gotta pay child support when the baby come out. All of that.
I don't believe you, so send me. I'm saying just send me, and when she reach home, I tell her what's up.
So I need to send you the picture?
Yeah.
Babe,
You can't just be coming like.
but you see my what you talking about? You were just over my house yesterday. You seen how big my stomach was? You see my stomach growing?
I wasn't.
Babe, you was just over my house like yesterday.
I wasn't.
Babe,
Legit wasn't.
You stop. You need to stop that.
I was here all day.
I said yesterday.
I was here all day.
Yesterday I'm be
I
talking.
was here all day. I was all day.
You need to stop playing. You were just over my house yesterday, so I don't know what you're talking about.
So why can't you send me?
Okay, I'm gonna send you the test. Hold on. But like, you just really need to tell her because I need some extra funds. You know you broke, so you're gonna have to ask her. You have to ask her for the cash, everything, cause you're the one that did what you did. Hello.
I'm here.
Yeah, did you see the pictures I sent you? Did you see my pictures?
You really did just take this? You just take this?
Babe, oh my god. Babe, stop playing slow. I took it 2.5 months ago. Babe, what you say?
When she come home, I'm gonna see what's up. Cause I don't believe it.
Babe, you had to test everything. You've been over my house and everything. I don't know why you acting delusional now. You always want to act delusional when you got yourself a some solid problem.
You can't.
What? Anyways, babe, can you Uber Eats me some food? Can you Uber me, babe? Hello? Hello, baby. But, yeah. Okay, I thought so. He looking for his pride, his dignity, his soul, his passion, his integrity. He better answer this phone. Ain't nobody playing with you. I'm gonna be Kira right now. Hey, babe. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Yeah. Did you tell your mama yet? Did you tell your mama, baby? That you got me pregnant.
No, I ain't got you pregnant.
Of course you did.
No.
Babe, what are you talking about?
Me get you pregnant. Yo.
Okay, so you really want to act delusional right now?
I'm gonna get you pregnant.
What you talking? You don't know how people get pregnant? You don't know?
Me get you pregnant. Me I get you pregnant. Every time I have sex, me is kind of.
What are you talking about?
What you want to talk about?
You ain't use no rubber because I told you and you said you don't believe in that stuff. So I was just like, okay.
Yo. Yo, dad, come here. Yeah.
Hello, babe? He calling his friend.
Yeah.
Yeah, babe. So did you?
Yo.
Are you gonna tell her? Is that her in the background? Is that her in the
No,
background?
I know she, I'm sister.
Excuse me? What you said?
Not her, it's my sister.
Oh, did you tell your sister?
No.
Can you tell you gotta tell somebody because you know I'm 3 months. I'm gonna start showing real big soon and everything.
How you get my number?
Babe, stop playing. Really stop playing. Like,
Oh, you get my number.
stop playing, babe. Guys, I look ugly when I roll my eyes. Babe, stop playing.
Hey.
Really stop playing because you gave me your number. Let me tell you how we met because you just don't remember the story. And I know why you're acting delusional, but because I'm a good girlfriend, I'm gonna tell you how we met. You hit me up on Instagram. You went to the school around where I live, and you hit me up on Instagram, and you were just like, please tell your mama because you know you're gonna have to pay child support.
Yo, cuz I've just said this something in the group. Alright, we know say I'm prank though. We know say I'm prank anyway, so.
Okay, bye. Subscribe to my YouTube. I'll send you the link.
Alright.
Okay, bye. Hey guys, this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos of me. And I'll see you guys in the next one. I love you guys so much. Bye bye. Mwah.